I have a super sneak preview here of a new feature that I've been working on for the LatheEngraver. If you've ever wanted a Rose Engine lathe and you couldn't justify the cost or didn't know how it works, I've made it easy now, as I've started writing a plugin that uses the LatheEngraver as a virtual Rose Engine. The idea is that you create rosettes as SVG files that you can upload to the Octoprint here, and then we can select those rosettes from any series of things that you want to make. So 6-sided rosette here. Here's an 8-sided rosette. We've got a number of settings. We can set the speed. We can set if we're going to go forward or back. We can change the amplitude. And there's a lot of other things that I can add here. This is, again, just sort of bare bones to show that this can be functional. And I'll show you how this will work. We'll go to the split view here, and I'll start this. And you can see that once we start this, it's going to start moving around. Of course, right now it's not actually drawing anything, so we can adjust the position on the fly. So if I move this direction, that's going to move in 1 millimeter, and we'll now start actually drawing. Now, of course, just like a Rose engine, it'll just keep going, but we can stop it at any time. We click the stop button here. Now, one of the things is that in order to keep everything synced, it stores the position of where we started that job. So I'll move this off a millimeter here, and so we can click this reset button, and that's going to actually move us back to our 0 point, because from here now we could do indexing or phasing to do different things. I'll move this in a little bit and just do one more run. About there. And so now this will start a second run. So we click start, and we've got to drive that in. And there you have it, a virtual Rose Engine lathe.